on my channel in 2 years.
I'm gonna follow and check that out. It's so cool.
So share it with all the Chinese people you know. Ni hao, xie xie.
Thank you. Like, I'm gonna go first.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You are great. Hey, let's do a thumbnail together. Come on, everybody, make sure you can see here. Can you all see?
Yeah.
These are wonderful 3 new friends, and they're going to be the thumbnail of this YouTube. And you'll be on Instagram too. When you think of Canada, what comes to mind? For some people, it's poutine. You know, that gravy smothered French fries taste very yummy, like the ultimate comfort food with 0 nutritional value. Maybe you think about John Candy and his movies, or maybe you think of people that wear these kind of hats. Stereotype for Canadians, as I was told recently. Well, there's something else that comes to people's mind that's a part of Canadian history, and it's the Royal Canadian Mounted Police. And this place, called Folk Art Interiors, among many other wonderful artifacts, is a custom maker of Royal Canadian Mounted Police statues, just like this one here. I'm getting nothing. It's as if he can't talk, and I've got to respect that. He's on duty. Got a hockey stick, looks like. Folk Art Interiors. I'm thinking it's all locked up, dark. A lot of wonderful places this time of the year. People got things they've got to do. There's a sled or a toboggan, very Canadian. Folk Art Interiors. I guess it's all kinds of stuff from Canada's history that would go into your home if you wanted it to. Coca-Cola, some cabinets. From a distance you might think it's junk, but not to the discerning eye. Somebody for the Japan Jazz Tour, perhaps, playing the sax, one of my favorite instruments. All right, my friend. There's a little guy. Some sewing machines. Some other stuff. Drum store. All right, we got to move on. We got more places, more things, more people. We've got to keep clipping. We're trying to get all 111 places you do not want to miss in Vancouver in the next few weeks, so that we can focus more wholeheartedly on getting ready for the Japan Jazz Tour 2023. Joe Forte is one of those famous Vancouver type people. Joe died in 1922, and Joe lived here in the English Bay Area and was known for his lifeguarding skills. In fact, today there is a restaurant on Robson called Joe Forte's, well-known restaurant. We've been there, we've got it in some YouTubes. Joe saved perhaps dozens of lives during his time as a lifeguard over here on English Bay, Stanley Park area. This, in the book, is the Joe Forte Fountain. Beautiful. And this park is known as Alexandra Park. It's fall time, actually Christmas time, winter time. It's a beautiful little corner park here, close to the beach. Joe is known for saving lives. And for that, he's in the book. 111 places in Vancouver you do not want to miss. So, let's go. We got more stuff to see, more stuff to go do. Time is short. Nice Christmas scene.
Yeah.
I'm looking for one with the manger. Can't find the manger one. Do you guys have YouTube?
No, we don't.
But you all have cameras.
Just like photo.
Photo? Are you professionals?
She's a professional. She does wedding photography.
Wow, very cool.
Yeah, she has an Instagram.
Okay, all my social media is Advisor Danny. I have Instagram, so if you find it, I will put yours up so people know about you.
What kind of photography do you do?
With this little thing, see?
Oh, like GoPro?
Here,
Do
now
you
you
do
can
like
look at it.
videography?
You can say, hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
Where are you from? Originally.
China, but
China.
I'm here for like 12 years, so
You're almost Canadian.
almost.
You're living here more than I am. And I was born here.
You're born here.
Are you working here or students?
I graduated
What did you graduate in?
UBC Nutrition.
I love nutrition.
Me too.
I believe in holistic life.
Oh yeah.
I think if medical people can do Western and Eastern together, then we will be better off. Turmeric,
Absolutely.
ginger, lemon, all these very good things. All the greens, fruits, vegetables.
Yeah, exactly.
Nutrition.
Nutrition.
Are you a nutritionist too?
Oh no, I'm a baker.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I learned baking.
Banking.
Baking.
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 Yeah.
Ah.
She makes really good desserts.
Do you have a professional?
Trying to be more professional.
You do
I
for
just
yourself?
graduated. No, I'm working for a bakery.
Which one?
Chez Crystal.
I don't know. I went to the Boku one.
I'm not sure that one, but
I have a YouTube. You can watch it.
oh,
I went to see her because now I'm doing a book, 111 places
Yeah.
to see in Vancouver, 111. And I'm putting the book on video.
oh,
So I was here, there's a place down there on that side, 12 Water, which is in the book. 100 years ago, it was a jail.
What's
I show
the
you. Can
number
you
of
hold this?
this one?
This book.
oh, 11 playing Vancouver.
111. These two guys are from Vancouver.
Yeah.
Oh, they
Oh.
wrote a book and then they for the vegetarian.
They wrote it. My sister gave it to me. They both signed it from wherever she got it. And so now I'm going, so there's one cafe, but it was Boku. She wasn't there, the owner.
Oh, so they
There. You know this one? So I went there and it's on my YouTube already.
I will try it one day. Then playing.
I had a cardamom, you know the spice from India?
Yeah, I heard about it.
Very nice. It was in a, like a donut, a cake kind of donut.
try it. Maybe one day I will go there and try it.
Okay.
I don't know the book. Good to know.
It's a good one. Sounds like a shot. So, Advisor Danny, if you all connect, I'll follow you guys too and help promote your business. Oh, your light's on.
Oh, sorry. I was like,
You are good. What's your name?
Clarice.
Clarice. What's your name?
Chen.
Chin Chin?
And Bonnie.
Bonnie. I'm Danny. And
Danny.
Advisor Danny, because my real work is helping small business owners expand internationally. But I was living in Japan. I came back May 2 years ago. My mom is in Abbotsford. I came for 3 weeks. Then Japan Airlines said, cannot come back.
So you're not going back to
So I did the YouTube. Now,
That's why.
almost completely open. They have one more step to take away, and then I'm going back. And one of my playlists on YouTube is Japan Jazz Tour with a Japanese artist from Vancouver. Her name is Tamami Maitland. And I have 14 or 15 videos you can see.
Wow, may I know your YouTube
Sure.
account? I was just taking a look. This one?
Advisor. Yeah, this is me.
Wow.
And you can go on Instagram or any social media. And if I know what's your business or what you're trying to do, I know a baker. She's in a group, newcomers to Vancouver, 2 groups like that. She came from Middle East and has her own bakery business. But these kind of people would be good for you to collaborate with, to experiment and see maybe you can start your own brand.
But like still learning, like I'm still on the process. I just graduated.
But you know how we best learn? By doing.
Yeah, I got it.
When my brother said you should make YouTube, I said okay. After I fought it a little bit, I said no, I think that's for kids. And then I said okay, I'm going to start. I had a little old iPhone 4,
You still have the old?
which I started. So my first YouTubes, I have maybe almost 7 on my channel in 2 years.
I'm gonna follow and check that out. It's so cool.
So share it with all the Chinese people you know. Ni hao, xie xie.
Thank you. Like, I'm gonna get the first.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You are great. Hey, let's do a thumbnail together. Come on, everybody. Make sure you can see here. Can you all see?
Yeah.
These are wonderful 3 new friends, and they're going to be the thumbnail of this YouTube. And you'll be on Instagram too. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Let me know about your wedding photography. So I can't guarantee, but maybe if people know, they will call you. Okay? Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Bye bye. Nice to see you too. Bye.